Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy French toast. First, gather your ingredients, including thick-cut bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Next, we'll mix the batter, ensuring it's smooth and ready for dipping. Then, we'll cook each slice to a beautiful golden perfection. Finally, we'll discuss serving suggestions to make your breakfast truly special and enjoyable for everyone. To begin, select 4 slices of your favorite thick-cut bread. Brioche or challah work wonderfully. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs with 1/2 cup of milk. Now, enhance the flavor by adding 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything thoroughly until the batter is smooth and well combined, ready for dipping. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, letting it melt and coat the surface. Carefully dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 seconds on each side. Place the soaked bread onto the hot pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Once your French toast is perfectly cooked, transfer it to a warm serving plate. For a classic touch, dust generously with powdered sugar. Elevate your breakfast by adding fresh berries, such as strawberries or blueberries, for a burst of color and flavor. Finally, complete your masterpiece with a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Enjoy your delicious, homemade French toast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.